You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this multinational corporation based in France, French-based. We'll be looking at how to say more luxury brand names, including from this own luxury group. Kering. Kering is how it's said in French, now in English, Kering. Kering, it's easy. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.